Hello everyone, I am the Shady Thrifter and I would like to welcome you to or welcome you back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mika and on this channel we talk about all things fashion, all things thrifted, all things thrifted fashion. So if that is something that you are interested in, please stick around. Guys, today's video is not going to be a long one. I have been so extremely busy, and I honestly wanted to just come on here really quick just to let you guys know what I have been up to. If you've been watching my videos, you would know that I launched a Poshmark store. I have been trying to get rid of a lot of things that I have in my closet that I no longer wear because the walls are definitely closing in on me and I need to make space for new items. Therefore, I have been poshing a lot of my stuff. Guys, so far I have been on Poshmark for maybe going on 2 weeks and I've already made close to $1,000, so I'm super proud of myself. The problem is when I'm on Poshmark, I'm still seeing stuff that I want to buy. And also when I'm going to the thrift stores, now I'm actually picking up stuff that I want to posh. So if it's something that I can't wear, I've been like picking it up and reselling it. So right now, I have not even had a chance to like make styling videos because my house right now is in complete shambles. My glam room has stuff everywhere, y'all. And I'm just trying to get everything organized. I did not realize how much work it is to like do like a Poshmark store. And because I'm the type of person that I am, I like everything to be done nicely, the packaging. I just cannot put stuff in a bag and just ship it. I have to have my own box, you know, tissue paper. I'm trying to give people the experience that I would want to have. So that's a whole nother thing. And then I actually ran into an encounter, a little poof-all on Poshmark where my store was doing super good and then it got shut down for like 2 days, and then I was not able to actually get in touch with like the Poshmark customer service. Y'all, it's just been so much. I've just got so much stuff going on. I had to go to a baby shower. I have to go to work every day. I'm still having clients whose hair I'm doing. I'm still thrifting. I'm still a mom. I'm still a grandmother. I am every woman. And yeah, so I just wanted you guys to know that I have not forgotten about you. It's just that I'm just trying to get my house organized, get my glam room back organized so that I can film. Although I hardly ever film in my glam room, I just cannot function when my house is in disarray and not how I want it to be. I'm just one of those people that I think I have like adult ADHD, and I'm just always, my mind is always like focused on so many different things. But I have been thrifting, y'all. As much as I'm taking out, I'm bringing in. Even this dress that I'm wearing, this gown, I don't know if this is a nightgown, but it is absolutely beautiful. I will try to put a picture in a cutaway of this dress that I thrifted, and I love it. It is so beautiful. It's like a muumuu style dress. And it's made in India, and it is so extremely beautiful. Let me just see if I can show you just right now while I'm standing up. But it is so beautiful. Let me just see. Let me go back. It is so pretty. Yes, it is so freaking pretty. And yeah, so again, I am trying to get my house organized. I literally need to take you guys to my glam room because I am literally like overwhelmed with crap. I definitely miss my Shady babies. I miss, you know, my YouTube videos, but as I mentioned to you guys in my last video, I'm not going to be uploading as much just because I need to get the algorithm going more. I cannot keep uploading. I feel like I have so many videos already on YouTube that, shoot, I probably can take a month off if I want, and you guys should be fine. I've noticed there's a lot of new like YouTubers on thrifters on YouTube, and I actually watch them the same way you guys watch me, and I'm here for it. I'm loving it. Let me just show you guys. So the name of my Poshmark boutique is Reshade. And again, on here, I have some really nice things I've curated. I also have a lot of pieces that I would love to show you all. I just cannot do it in this video. Honestly, this video was just to come in and check in with you guys to let you know that I'm still here. I do miss you all, but your girl is doing other things. And yeah, but I have a whole pile of clothes in my chair right here. I have clothes in my glam room. I have clothes in my closet. Let me just show y'all. I have so many clothes everywhere. So, let me just show you. So, like, this is my regular closet. Okay, I have not even gotten to my regular closet to even start getting rid of the posh stuff. I'm literally just, and this is my walk-in closet. Let me just show you all of the stuff that I have in here. Y'all, I'm trying to tell y'all, your girl is trying to declutter, okay? And as you can see, I have clothes in this chair right here. Literally, I have clothes everywhere. And I'm just trying to sell as much stuff as I can because, you know, it's better to like get money than, you know, to be broke. But and I was working on a video where as though I show you all like my favorite thrifted finds, and yeah, I'm just trying to get that there. I just have so much that I want to do, guys, and yeah. But when I was working on that video, I was pulling out some of the vintage things that I have, and this was one of the jackets that I thrifted years ago, that I thought was just so beautiful, and I was going to feature that in that video, and I still may do it. I just have not had time to really do it. And then when you come into my glam room, y'all, it is chaotic. Okay, so here I have my boxes that I'm going to be using for, well, that I have been using for my Posh store. It's called Reshade, and you will see here that the box looks like this. And y'all, look at, this is all the stuff right now that I am going to be selling. So I've already like packaged everything neatly. So these are all like shirts and pants that I'm selling. These are the dresses. And then here we have stuff that I still have to take pictures of. But then all of the stuff in this bag is like glamorous clothes, like evening wear and such. Y'all, Solo just wants to be seen. Yeah, and then this is stuff that I've already taken pictures of that I need to package. I even have a beautiful Hanifa sweater that I'm selling. I know a lot of people are looking for the Hanifa sweater, but if you're looking for one, I have a beautiful one, the same one that Sarah Jessica Parker wore in Sex and the City, is the purple Hanifa sweater, and I'll put a picture of it here. But it is listed on my Poshmark, and it is beautiful. It's already been dry cleaned, and it's selling for $200. Yeah, and so y'all, when I tell y'all I got stuff everywhere, I got clothes here. I have this beautiful vintage coat. It's like a vintage trench coat. Isn't that beautiful? I just got it out the dry cleaners. I cannot wait to wear that. It's raining out, and y'all, then I recently picked these beautiful shoes up. Look at these from a thrift store near my house, and they were $50 and I got 20% off. Look at these. Aren't they absolutely beautiful? Yes. So again, I have not forgotten about you all. It's just that I am in I'm in survival mode at this point, and I just wanted to check in with you all to tell you I am fine. Your girl is trying to get this Posh stuff out, so I will put a link, of course, a QR code on the screen in the corner. So if you guys want to go to my Poshmark and you see something that you want or want to purchase, the prices are very reasonable. I have Farm Rio on there. I have Gucci boots. I have Hanifa, Max Mara. I have some really good brands on there that you might want to go check out. Yeah, I have Giuseppe Zanotti. I'm just really purging a lot of stuff. So you guys need to go check it out. And if you want, you can share it with someone who may be looking to purchase some items at a great deal. Yeah, so y'all, I'm up here looking at Pop the Balloon. But anyway, yeah, that is it, guys. So I just wanted to come in to say hello really quick, give you guys an update on what is going on, and hopefully by next week I would have put up a new video of some things that I picked up, because like I said, I picked up quite a bit of items over the past couple weeks. Some of it I'm selling because now because my store is doing so good, I have been selling so much stuff, but I do have to put my priority on getting my house ready for summer. It is just so nasty outside. It is raining here in Virginia. It's been raining for 2 days now, and I am sick of it. So yeah, so guys, I am about to get ready for bed. I am extremely exhausted. I had a full day of work today in the office, and I am honestly just tired and just want to relax. So I hope everyone is doing well. I want to wish you all a happy Memorial Day. I know Monday is the holiday, and I hope you guys all spend time with your family and friends in a loving, caring, peaceful environment. And until I see you all again, I would like to say God bless you all, and bye.